Hey, and welcome back. It's my birthday today. I'm 43, so I thought to celebrate, and also it's the end of the year, I would share all of the outtakes that we've done while filming YouTube. I'm not good at YouTube, I'm just gonna say it. I make a lot of mistakes, I have a lot of test clips apparently, and just watch the shenanigans. Test, 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 test. Test, 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 testing, test. Test, 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 1, 2, 3. Test, test, testing, 1, 2, 3. Test, 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 testing, 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 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. In today's video, we're talking about ADHD. Test, test, we're talking about butterflies, super exciting. Testing, testing, talking about a binder. Ooh. Testing, today we're talking about deliciousness. Test, test, testing, test. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Test, test, testing, testing. Testing, testing, test, test, test. I'm ready. Nope, I'm not ready. It's got glue all over the thing. Okay, I'm ready. Are you recording? My bad, okay. This apple slicer is a must in this house. We eat a lot of apples, but I love it because it just makes life easier. My kids can use it. It's not sharp. They're not gonna cut their fingers, so even little ones can slice an apple just by pushing down and have it for lunch. But I also, this is a tough apple. Okay, I do again. Should I just start from the very top? Okay. My last sip. That's not a sip. I need a sip. Okay. Sorry. Okay. To enter to win this amazing little customizable thing, all you have to do, cutting machine, it's a cutting machine. The sky is the limit. It's so versatile. It is by far my favorite thing to play with in my house. Sorry, Joe. Shit got weird. It's true, I love you more. Okay, I'm sorry. We are doing a giveaway. One of you will be entered to win this Cricut Joy. Not this one, because this one's mine. If you're watching this video, stop it. Stop it, Emily. My favorite hack for keeping towels organized and off the deck. My favorite hack for keeping pool. Wow. My favorite hack for, nope. My favorite hack, why can't I say this?
You got this.
I got a small mouth, okay. My favorite hack for keeping pool towels organized is using an old lower. It's not a lower. Am I going insane? Okay. I stab. I'm feeling a little. A lot of these can definitely go. Like, why are they taking up space in here? Oh, but this one, no, it can stay. This is my bow chicka wow wow. Just gonna start that again. Your house tidy feels overwhelming. Unfortunately, this only becomes worse during and after the holidays because we're bringing in a ton of more things and it's just a blah, 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 blah. Okay. Okay. Are we good? Okay. Can you see this? It's farting. Pew, 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 pew. No, that's gonna stay. And we're ready. Okay. Okay, and we're ready. Okay. Okay. You want to declutter. You want to declutter kids. You want to declutter kids. Okay. God damn. The fucking lawnmower. Okay. Joe?
I'll say you have some B-roll here.
No, we're not using this. Okay.
That's a great answer.
This is going in bloopers.
Okay. You definitely want to declutter kids' toys this time of year. That toy's going. Okay. You definitely want to declutter kids' toys. It's gonna stop. Yeah, it'll stop soon. Okay. Now is the time to declutter kids' toys for a few reasons. One, a lot of families actually shop for gently used gifts at thrift stores. I'm taking inventory of this cabinet. I'm noticing something, which is we have a lot of larger waddle. Why can't I?
You said that. You said waddle the first time too.
Oh my God. Okay. So right off the bat, I think I want to keep all my water bottles together. So I'm going to put these to the side and make room for the water bottle. So I'm going to set these to the side and make room for the why can't I say water today? Oh my God.
Water bottle.
I know it's water, Emily. But I'm going to move this big beast of a thing. Oh, because I have room on the bottom now, I can move this is called something, my crock pot thermoses up here and the larger water bottle. And the big bottles that don't fit in the organizer will now have a place to go. My knees popped. I'm very old. Testing for sound. You got fluffs on you. Okay, say something. Mom smells like cheese. Is it good cheese or like bad cheese?
Bad.
Oh.
Home maintenance 101. Except with the oh yeah. Okay. I'll do that again. Sorry.
Okay. Stop it. Stop it. Sort in my eyes. Dust all over me. Oh God. It's good. I'm good. Okay. I've sweat my balls off over here, bro. Before you're done in the bedroom, make sure that you take time to declutter 21 things. I already found 6 articles of clothing that are gonna go, so I'm gonna find 21, take away 6 is, wait, 20 take away 6 is 14. 16 more things that can go. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that's 22, 15 more things. 21, take away 6.
14.
14? No.
13.
No. It's 16. It's 16. No, it's 16 plus 6 is 21. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Nope. Wait, what?
15.
15.
Plus 6 is 21.
Yes! Let's try that again. You also didn't know. So we got this. Okay, sorry. We good? Are you ready? Are we recording? Okay. Another gadgety thing that I talk about every year because I'm obsessed with them is the Amazon Alexa. Is it a Dot? Is it an Alexa? Nope. Okay. From the top, Emily. From the top. Make it drop like the honey is. Don't stop. Yep. Okay. All right, here we go. Test. We're talking about getting your home ready for the holidays. Yep. Let's start with hard truth number 1. Tidy homes have less stuff, period.
And we're done.
Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have to let you know right now the Take Your House Back course is back open and we have our all-day declutter. This is amazeballs, okay? This is where Dawn and Dana and I are your coach live for 8 hours. I yell at you, Dawn nurtures you, and Dana just gently helps you get crap out of your house. What are you waiting for? You have to join right now. You're going to get access to a bunch of stuff in this course, everything you need to take back control of your home, and the live all-day declutter on January 7th. So click the link in the description right now. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I actually have 2 end stories for you. They're weird. They didn't make the cut because of their weirdness, but now you get to enjoy them. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Recently, my family went to Canada's Wonderland, which is an amusement park like with thrill rides here in Canada. It's like a crappier Cedar Point or Six Flags. But I learned something about myself, and that is I've changed. I used to be such a thrill seeker. I think about my youth. Not only did I love roller coasters, I car surfed. Don't ever do that if you're watching in heaven. It was stupid. I jumped off bridges. I did insane things with zero regard for myself. Now I can barely ride the baby coaster that literal babies are on without feeling like I'm gonna die. I felt sick. I felt car sick. I was so scared. I screamed myself hoarse. Okay, horse. I've been on huge roller coasters before, but now my body's just like, maybe the closer you get to death, the more you fear death. This is getting dark. This is getting dark. I don't think this is why. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I'm actually recording this end story again because Emily, who's behind the camera, is making a face like, maybe you shouldn't share all the graphicness. So I got a little graphic with you, and after sharing all that delicious food, I don't want to make you lose your stomach. So I'm not going to talk about how I get naked at night because I'm really, really hot. It's fine. Listen, you guys, here's what's going on, okay? I think I'm going through menopause, and I know I've talked about this before, but it's progressively getting weirder. So I want to reach out to you because maybe you have ideas or symptoms, but sometimes at night, especially at night, all of a sudden out of nowhere, I feel kind of like ill and hot, and I have to open up all the windows and lay on top of the covers. I don't take my clothes off, Emily. But I do!
I'll just keep the first one then.
Wait, okay. Okay.
Keep the first
No, I can try to think of something else.